Hello and welcome again to Perfect Math SA. Today we will be talking about what is mathematics and why is it so important. Well, mathematics is the study of how we can use symbols and numbers to represent, explain, and solve complex problems that we experience in our daily lives. Humans have always had mathematics embedded in their language from the beginning of time. So it is one of the most natural forms of communication and explanation of things that we have in the world. It takes complex logical reasoning and it breaks it down into a level that is simple enough for us to analyze and deduce implications from, therefore allowing us to determine whether a certain theory is true in its most general sense, or there are certain parts where it will fail to be true, or certain times that it will fail to be true. This is why mathematics is involved in many fields, if not every field, that is there of study.